Tomatoes are hands down one of my favorite vegetables to grow in my garden, and last year I grew over 1,200 of them, and this year I am determined to double that. I spent a couple nights last week planting out 5 beds of tomatoes, and no matter what tomato I am growing, my process for planting them is pretty much the same. I plant my tomatoes really deep and bury about half of the stem, that way it can grow roots all along that stem. So I always clip off the bottom leaves first before I plant them, and then in each planting hole I always drop a handful of worm castings just to give them a little bit of nutrients. Plant 8 to 10 tomatoes per 8x4 bed, and then I fill in the gaps with marigolds and basil. Marigolds will help ward off pests along with the basil, and basil just goes so nicely with tomatoes. Once all the plants are in, I add a layer of easy straw for mulch. This will help suppress weeds and also keep the soil moist, and then I just water it in. My indeterminate tomatoes, such as San Marzanos, beefsteaks, and Cherokee purples, will get a Florida weave trellis here in the next couple of weeks. But for my Roma tomatoes, I'm using these giant metal cages. Make sure to follow along to see how my tomatoes go the rest of the season.